month, mouth. Both of these words have voiceless TH. Bite the tongue and squeeze the air. Month, mouth. But when we turn them into a plural, months, mouths, something interesting happens. Months is unsurprising. Months. We just add a voiceless s afterwards. It can be a bit tricky to squeeze the air and then pull the tongue inside, keeping the hissing going. But if you want to learn more about how to do that, there's a course especially for you, so I'll link it in a story. Months. That's the one that's tricky but unsurprising. But mouths. There's something interesting going on there. The TH becomes voiced, slightly voiced, when you make it a plural. Mouths. And you have a voiced z as well. Mouths. So you say mouth, one mouth, but two mouths. And also the verb to mouth, I mouth, you mouth, he mouths the words. That's the same pronunciation. So mouth, but mouths, mouths. Now be careful because mouths still needs to have one syllable, one beat. Mouths, mouths. For that reason, the THS is a little bit voiced but still soft. Don't overdo it. Month, months, mouth, mouths. Happy practicing.